Hello students and parents, welcome back to my channel with another science tutorial video today. You all know that I already made a video on the chapter friction. If you want, you can search in my channel or you can watch from my end screen suggested video. My today's video is based on friction chapter part 2, and today I am going to discuss with you some important question and answers based on friction chapter. So let's get started. What is the force of friction? The answer is the force acting on a moving object equal and opposite to the direction of motion is called force of friction. What is the cause of friction? Answer is the irregularities of the two surfaces in contact is the cause of friction. What is the force responsible for wearing out of bicycle's tires? Answer is frictional force. Is the friction same for all objects? Answer is no. Why are wheels of vehicles made circular? Answer is rolling friction is less than sliding friction. What is the direction of force of friction acting on a moving object? Answer is opposite to the direction of moving object. Why two pieces of luggage fitted with rollers? Answer, to reduce friction and to pull them easily. Why does a matchstick catch fire when rubbed on the rough surface of the box? Answer is due to friction between the stick and the rough surfaces, matchstick catches fire. What is the name of special shape given to the objects moving in fluids? Answer is streamlined. Give one example where ball bearings are used. The answer is ceiling fan. Does friction depends on the nature of the objects? Answer is yes. What is the use of lubricants? Answer is they are used to reduce friction. Which surface does produce more friction, smooth or rough surface? The answer is rough surface. Why is fine powder sprinkled on the carom board? Answer is in order to reduce friction, powder is sprinkled on the carom board. Why it is difficult to walk on the wet marble floor? The answer is the wet marble floor has less friction, so it is difficult to move on it. Now I am dictating some multiple choice questions and answers. Complete the sentence. Friction always A. helps the motion, B. opposes the motion, C. both of these, and D. none of these. And the answer will be B. opposes the motion. Which one of the characteristics does a smooth surface has? A. less frictional force, B. more frictional force, C. sometimes less, sometimes more, and D. all of the above. The answer will be A. less frictional force. Friction is a dash. A. contact force, B. non-contact force, C. magnetic force, D. none of this. And the answer will be A. contact force. What kind of substances are known as lubricants? A. increase friction, B. decrease friction, C. increase or decrease friction. The answer will be B. decrease friction. Fluid are gases, liquid, gas and liquid both, and none. The answer will be C. On what force of friction depends? Smoothness of the surface, roughness of the surface, inclination of the surface, all of the above. The answer will be D. Lubricants increase friction, reduce friction, both, none. Answer will be B. Rolling friction is smaller than sliding friction, static friction, fluid friction, all of the above. And the answer will be D. So students, these are some important questions based on the chapter friction. You can write them down in your copy and prepare well. If you want to get good marks in mathematics and science, then definitely follow my channel videos regularly. Bye bye for today.